Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad ke sangma hakashpo tarik yayong ula banjur halor katong jong ka sorkar ban penroy bat kentiu ya kakam jengok kai pertai da ke bapen bena ba ke jingterwa bante ya ka Taj Resort and Spa kan long ha ke jingte ke baladan lupa jong ka Orchid Umiam bat Lumpongdeng. Conrad ula pynshai ya kene na mar ka jingmi jong ki jing sngokia hapdeng ki kato kat ne ki kenhuan halor ke jingte ki kam penroy hapo kapung Umiam. Ka jing tumu ban penroy ya ki kam jungok kai perthai ka dei ka rukom tre kam ka bakentup lang ya baro. Kani ka don kam ya ki jingte ki bahab bante ki hotel bahab bante ki jingte jong ka 5-star hotel bat ha ka juk ka por ban pentikna ba ki breu jongi ki dei ban yo ya ki jingmentoy na ki kam jungok kai bat don kam ru ban kentiu ya ka jingdon jong ki homestay ong Conrad. Habapen pau halor ka jing sngokia ba ya dei bat ka Deulenong Lumpongdeng. Conrad pynshai da ka baong on omte ya kino ki jingte ki bane jiunom ha Deulenong Lumpongdeng kat kum ka MOU bat ya ka Deulenong on pendon kam tang ya ki weipat ki program tang lengba ki jingte besipor. Haba kedo halor ka jing penlet jing mud jong ka sorkar ha ka baye dei bat ki jing mentoy jong ki trai shnong Conrad ulaong ngidon kam ya ki 5-star hotel Henry ha kejuk kapor ngidon kam ru ya ki restaurant ki beret bat ru ya ki homestay kenang baki trai shnong ki nyo jing mentoy. Menteri Rangba ulapan pau ru ba ka Meghalaya kadon ka wena ki program shna homestay ki baklan bha ha ka ba hadu kumba praspa tali ki homestay ki layat ha ka jingte bat sa lai hajar tali labu thong bante ha ki ni ki khindiat snam ki banwan. Katba ya kini ki jing sngokia la shimkia syak bangan kular syaki nong shong shnong ka jela bangi kular ban penbiang tarajur ha pedeng karoi kapar bat ka jing penbiang ha ka bayade bat ka maryang bat ru ban pentikna baki resort remdor kin mi bat ha keju kapor kin mi ru ki homestay bat ki jingdon kam ki baki trai shnong kin yo jing mentoy ning ba jongki ong Conrad. Ngidon kam ya ke jing kershan lang jong baro ban pentikna bangin la ban penya syakmat ya ke ni ke jing temu bat ngakermen ba ke ni ke jing pynshai kan yarap ya ki briu bakin sotho ya ki sin jam ki bakrau bat ka thong bakham kongsan ki bakasor kar jongi ka don ula benram.
Dear friends, this is in continuation with the concerns that some sections have regarding the development in the Umiam area and concerns about the Lumpongdeng island. As clarified yesterday, first, that in the MOU, it is clearly stated that no permanent structures can come up in the Lumpongdeng island. Number 2, the Taj Resort and Spa will come up in the existing Orchid Umiam property. That is where the main structure and the main hotel will be constructed. The island will mostly be used for activities where temporary structures will be allowed. Number 2, it is also important to note that the tourism strategy is a holistic strategy. This requires infrastructures to be created, hotels to be created, 5-star properties to be developed, but at the same time to ensure that our people get the benefit of the tourism development. Homestays need to be pushed. We need to ensure that our tour guides are trained. The different transport systems need to be strengthened. Different activities and products like handcraft and other textile products need to be promoted. And hence it is a holistic strategy and all sections and stakeholders will benefit in the long run. Hence we need 5 stars, but at the same time we also need small restaurants and we also need homestays so that local people can benefit. You'll be happy to know that Meghalaya has one of the most aggressive homestay programs, where close to 800 homestays are being constructed as we speak, and another 3,000 are targeted in the next few years. And hence, while these concerns are being noted, let me assure the citizens of our state that we are ensuring that a balance is struck between overall economic development and balance between our environment, and at the same time ensuring that high-end luxury resorts come in, but at the same time smaller homestays and other facilities where our local people benefit from it do also come up. We will require everybody's support to ensure that we are able to take this vision forward, and I hope that this clarification will help people understand the larger strategy and the larger objective that our government has.